Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today we're going to be microwaving something a lot of people remember from a baseball game. Cracker Jacks. Or at least from Take Me Out to the Ball Game. Naturally, they won't be microwaved with the prize still in the package. Okay, dumping the Cracker Jacks onto the plate. And this is going to be set aside for later. And as always, here's Jennie the microwave, who I must say is looking pretty good today now that she's nice and clean from the soap experiment. Yeah, you're looking pretty good, Jennie. Now let's put the Cracker Jacks inside of the sexy microwave and let's open her up and see what we done. Was nuts got fried. This really fried my junk, and you know what they say, nobody likes fried junk, but seriousness, they look unchanged, a little warmer. Whoa, a lot warmer. So I'm going to declare this a good idea, and if you're wondering what the prize is, it's one of those folding hand puppet things. I miss the days when Cracker Jacks had cool prizes.